If you are preparing for an exam, especially WAEC or NECO, or you just want to improve your grammar as well as spoken English, my class is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to my class with SA I know. Our topic for today is sound ah, ah, ah. Our learning objectives are: number one, by the end of this lesson, learners should be able to describe the ah sound in English. Number two, learners should be able to correctly produce the ah sound in speech. Number three, learners should be able to identify words containing the ah sound. Now, in describing the sound, this sound is described as low back long vowel sound. Low back long vowel sound. Don't forget, I've treated the short vowel sound, in the previous video, which is ah, ah, ah. So the difference between the two sounds is duration of production, the length of production. Do you understand? Okay. So now the two sounds can be confusing in the exam. Okay, because the same spelling symbol can give the two sounds. Okay, and as a learner, you have to carefully study the uh, the, the difference between the two sounds in terms of pronunciation. Do you understand? First, letter A of the English alphabet can give us this sound, or can represent this sound. Okay, don't forget, letter A also represents the short sound. You can watch the previous video on that. Okay, so the same letter A can also represent the ah sound. For instance, impala, ampas, dance, branch, ranch, chance, father, past, cast, pass, after, ask, task, mask, gala, gaga, saga, entourage, master, facade, staff, class, mirage, path, etc. There are many other words containing the sound with, represented by letter A. The next one is AR. Marker, back, park, matter. Some will pronounce this as mataya. It's not mataya. It is matter. Okay? So you need to learn phonetic transcription. Okay? So mark it. Margin, dark, marvel, barbaric, ma, car, far, fart, cat, start, charge, large, part, yard, etc. The next spelling symbol, ER, as in clerk, derby, sergeant. And then EAR, heart, heart, heart. Some will say hot, hot. It's not hot. The sound there is ah. So when the sound is ah, why are you not saying hot? Okay, so it is heart, heart. Letter AU, as in laugh, ant, draft. So we say aunt, aunt, my aunt, my auntie. It's not until, it is an ant, because the sound is ah, ah. Don't argue with me. Go and argue with Oxford Advanced Dictionary or Daniel Jones Pronunciation Dictionary. Do you understand? So don't argue with me. So the next is AL. Calm, bam, sam, half, quam, palm, etc. The next, UAR, guard. And then OI, reservoir, chamois, memoir, abattoir. So we say abattoir. It's not abattoir. Abattoir. Okay? Patois, repertoire, bourgeois, and so on and so forth. I think we'll be able to achieve our learning objectives. We'll be able to describe the sound. We've produced the sound. And of course, we've identified the words containing the sound. Please don't forget to follow me, like this video, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you.